know what, a lot of people say to me, Neil, when I'm drawing people, I don't know what to do with their hands. Well, that's a real common problem, you know. Take a look at this picture I've done. Now, the person is facing forward, but the hands, well, they just don't seem right. They're drawn okay, but they're not in the right position, are they? The person I've drawn is facing the front like this, but I've drawn the hands like this, which is wrong. No one stands with their hands like that, do they? It's more like this. Now, if you look closely at my hands now, you can't even see all of my fingers. They're more like claws. See that? Snappy claws. So, OK, let's draw that. Crab's claws it is. So let's get rid of these hands, like that, and let's draw on some crab's claws, if you like. Now, the way to do this is to put the thumb on the inside, nearer the body. Always remember that. And there's the other finger slightly longer there. And again, on this side, crab's claw, with the thumb on the inside, nearer the body. Yeah, that's a lot better. So if your person faces the front, their hands are more like a claw. Of course, the claw can do different things. Now again, this person is front on. In fact, she's doing a spot of modelling, so I'm going to do some different things with her hands. Or should I say a claws. I'm going to bend this one down a bit, but it's still a claw, with the thumb on the inside, nearer to her body. And on this one, I'm going to bend the thumb up, because I'm going to open up her claw and put this other finger leaning on her side, like that. And again, the thumb is on the inside, and her hands look like two claws because she's facing forward. Now, of course, things change if the person you're drawing is facing side on. Now, the claw becomes a full hand. Look at that. And you see all of the fingers, and the thumb faces the direction that the person is going. So, OK, remember that one. When drawing someone from the side, the thumb faces the direction the person's going. So put that in there, because he's going that way. And you see all the rest of the fingers like that. So just put those in like that. And the same on this hand. The thumb faces the direction he's going in, and you see all of his fingers like that. Only this time, you'll see the palm on the inside of his hand, so just a curvy bit at the base of the thumb like that, and it just hints to the base of his thumb, and that's the side-on person's hand. And you can practice drawing people's hands by standing in front of the mirror yourself, and first facing the front, and then turning to the side and copying your hand shape, or claw. So don't forget, it's a claw from the front, with the thumbs on the inside, and a full hand and fingers from the side, with the thumb facing the way he's going, or she's going. Try it yourself. Get handy with your hands, or claws.